This is Rick Star Gonzalez with another how-to video. Today we're installing oil pump screens. Recently I replaced my inner cam bearing. One of them was completely destroyed. The particles or the debris of that bearing fell into the inner casing of the engine. Therefore, I was unable to retrieve all the debris. A piece of that debris got into that oil pump and destroyed it. I did a search online and I found this product by Pingel, and they're designed for just that situation, to keep debris from the inner casing to get into your oil pump. According to the instructions, first you disassemble your oil pump. It says to remount the openings to the scavenger ports with a 1/2-inch drill bit or reamer. Remount the orifices about a 1/4 inch into the opening. You do this for both ports. Don't forget to clean off all the debris. Install the screens using the tool. You may have to tap it a little bit. And there you go, ready for installation. If you like my videos, please subscribe and don't forget to ring the notification bell. Get out and ride, be safe out there, and God bless you.
Nice.